Hi guys, it's Megan. Welcome back. How are you doing? Today I'm really excited. We're gonna be making soft yeast roll buns. Buns perfect for a really nice juicy hamburger. Buns perfect for a chicken sandwich or a veggie burger. Whatever you need a bun for, this is the bun for you. Let's get started. 1 cup of warmed milk, 2.5 teaspoons of yeast to bloom in the warm milk. This yeast and milk mixture is going to sit for about 10 or 15 minutes after I add 3 tablespoons of honey. Here is that 3 tablespoons of honey. Now we're gonna let the yeast bloom for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the temperature of your kitchen. Okay, you guys, it's been actually about 20 minutes because it's so cold in here. Now it's December, it's winter. It can take longer for yeast to bloom, and even for bread to proof when it's a little bit colder. But this is almost ready. Let's do the last 4 ingredients. This is what the yeast will look like when it's ready to go. It's very foamy. It goes from like little granules to very puffy like foam. Now it's ready. 2 eggs, 5 tablespoons of room temperature butter. I'm cutting up the butter so it mixes in better. Even though it's room temperature, this will still help. 4 cups of flour. 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt. Now I'm gonna use the bread hook and I'm gonna mix this dough for around 10 or 15 minutes on level 2. Here's the dough after mixing. I'm gonna oil the bowl and oil the dough. I put oil into the bottom. I will put the dough one side down, flip it around, and then use the dough to spread the oil to oil the bowl. Now I'm gonna make it level, and this is gonna proof for 1 hour. Okay, it's been an hour. The dough is proofed. I would say it's risen about double. Now I'm gonna weigh it out and measure it out. The pan is already buttered. We're gonna divide this into 6. The dough weighed 2 pounds, 11 ounces. That divided by 6 rolls is about 7.1 or 7.2 ounces per roll. I'm gonna put those 7-ounce rolls into this pan right now. Okay, now these have to proof for 1 more hour. That's what makes these extra soft and extra wonderful. That's it. I'm gonna put a towel on and let them rest. Okay, everybody, these have been proofing for another hour in the pan. They are ready to go in the oven at 375 Fahrenheit for 14 to 16 minutes. We'll be right back. This is just toasted sesame seeds like any normal bun would have. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe for more content like this.
You just like, okay, that's cute. Yeah, you can do that. Oh.